Okay, so in the last video we can do this in our first layout map. So we now go to the map or one layout in this uh, layout. So I not need this first because I done it. I will now go to my this layout. We go to the my province. In the province we have the this. If I copy it and paste it, so you can see it, it will be my Punjab province. And in the Punjab province we have this range. So I want I not not needed this one and this one. So in the Punjab we have this. So if I go to this, we have, okay, so firstly, okay, so they have different district. And yes, so I think I will be not, firstly I will check it. Yes, this is Pakistan, I not need it. The province I also not need it, and the district I need it. So I also go to my copy it and paste it. Okay, and so okay, so I will be remove it. Okay, so in this this is I think the for the district. Yes, this is very deep district map. So I think I not need it because I extracted. So I will be cross it. So in my plane, so it's my first map will be Pakistan. The second layout will be my this in my study area will be in this province, and this will be my in the province, which will be the district. So these three layout I will be use it. So I will be go to insert. This will be new layout, so you can see it multiple pages, multiple you can use it in order to your map design. So I now preference to A4 the landscape. So when I click it, so you can easily see it. So when I go to this, so firstly will be my map frame, which will be I located in this a big one. Okay, so this will be my map frame, and my map frame 2 will be in frame will be 2 will be in this province, and the last one my map frame 3 will be, this will be like, okay, this area I left because of legends. I will be put a legend on that. So I want to little bit small this one because I also be added a grid on it, so it will be take some space. So I just, okay, so go to this. Okay, it should be grid. So we go to this. Okay, this will be the grid. Okay, so I will little bit down because I also include a text on it. So go down. Okay, okay, okay. So you can this we can see it, three layout we can create it by changing the first layout. In the first layout we can connect our base map, which will be look very good. If I go to map into my base map, In the base map I will be remove the names because it's Japanese. So I go to my this one. Okay, okay, so it will be look like good. If I go to layout, so it will be loaded. Yes. uh in order to fix it, so you want to click it, go to activate, and by clicking Z and the LMB left mouse block, you can easily zoom out, zoom in, or you can also adjust your like this, and by scrolling down. Okay, I think it would be good. Okay, so you can adjust your map like this. If I little bit zoom it, okay, I think it will be now good. And go to layout and close activation, so now it will be closed. uh, okay, so in this area, uh, we want to present by this open like this. Okay, so go to activation, and in the activation I go to the Z. Okay, okay, so go to close activation. Now this area in Pakistan, this for the province map, and this for the district map. So I want to click and activate and zoom it. Okay, I think it's really nice. um, Go to layout and close activation, and I want to save it because it's too much heavy. Now I want to label it. um, for example, if I go to layout and go to label, so it will be labeled easily. If I go to label properties, yes, and go to position, symbol, appearance, go to Times Roman, and it will be, if I go to 16, bold, and if you can also use hollow means like background, what will be look like background, and apply on it, so you can easily see it. So I cross it, and if I go to layout, so it will be visible me Pakistan. Okay, and I can easily uh, like if I go to my this and go to text and click on it, I will go to India. Okay, double click. Okay, okay, properties, mm, India. Okay, so I will press India will be okay. Now text symbol, I will be again look like Pakistan. The times in Roman, go to bold, go to 16, and apply on it. And you can also, yes, I change it. So I can move like this. Okay, so this is the mm, text symbol, position. If I click like this, it will be in the center one. Okay, okay, okay. So cross it, and this one will be, if I control C, control V, go to like this. When I hit like this and double click on it and go to this, and Afghanistan, Afghanistan. Okay, okay, text symbol, everything will be okay. Oh, okay. If I click on it, so this, you can see this small three dots, it represent that you can move like this, that your A is visible. Okay, and I also control C, control V, this will be our Arabian Ocean. Ocean. Okay, okay, it will be changed, no problem. Arabian Ocean. Okay, just last one, the upper northern part will be the China. China. Okay. And one last one, the east side, the southeast side will be the Iran. So I go to this. Okay, just click it. Iran, 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 and cross it. Okay, and just little bit move. Okay, look nice. So I want to save it, and in the next video, this thing will be labeled easily, not by manually. It will be one click. By one click, it will be easily mapped. So next video we will be continuing my work.